Hello, Scorpion Society. This is Minecraft. And guess who's playing it?
Me!
Blizzard! I don't have Minecraft, I wish. And we have a special guest.
Me!
No, not...
No, my friend. Oh god, I killed him! Oh god! Oh god, he died! Oh god! Oh god!
You idiot! He's like, what?
Dude, no, get out of my game. No.
He has enough to
I
get.
didn't mean to kill you. I forgot I had a diamond axe. Well.
This is Boston's house.
It's small. Look it up on YouTube. I added the kitchen, the roof I added. It was just a small little wooden house, and I added the roof and all the windows and kitchen and all that.
Alright, by the way, guys, this is for Xbox. Unlike what Coop plays, he plays
Minecraft Xbox 360 edition.
Yeah.
Here's just my room for now until I'm done with the rest of the house.
Which is?
You'll see. Kitchen, spare bed, just crap in there. Hold on, monster, I'm making a video. Downstairs, the water room.
Yes, underwater.
Bed.
For some reason, it's underwater.
Is there anything in there?
I would not be able to see with that.
Hallway to another room. Paintings. Why? Run! Run!
You idiot!
Run! I'm flooding the house.
You idiot!
Run!
Who would do that?
Me.
You know how hard that was for you?
Ah! Where am I? Ah! Don't touch my tree.
That made me laugh.
Yeah. My fountain. Here's my waterfall.
Climb the waterfall.
It's just one bucket of water in a minute.
Sheep!
This isn't that. What?
Get out of my freaking Weber!
What? I threw my axe. Give my axe back. Wow.
One hit KO!
Well.
Well, this is...
No. I gotta finish the video.
Alright, finish it quick.
Whoa! Where did I just hit? What the?
What?
Oh my god! Ah! I'm dead.
Alright, I guess that ends the video. Oh yeah, Boston, you want to say something?
Bye.
No. Don't touch my tree!